2. Spot the names of body parts from the story. Add 3 other names on your own. Hand, hath, head, dok. Add your own. Nose, nak, leg, pai, eye, cha. 3. List the characters in the story and write their approximate ages. Characters, approximate age. Akulka, 6 years. Akulka. Malasha's mother, 30 to 35 years. Akulkachi ai, 25 to 60 years. Gavakari, tishin parentesibasin. Act 4. The stages in which the fight began and got worse. The fight. 1. Akulka and Malasha were playing. Akulka ani Malasha khet hotya. 2. Malasha splashed muddy water on Akulka's dress. Malasha ne chiklatse pani Akulka cha kapadyanvar uduvale. Akulka's mother saw it and hit Malasha. Akulkachi aragavun Malashala marli. Malasha's mother got angry and scolded Akulka's mother. Malashachi airagavli ani Akulkachi aila ordli. 5. The villagers joined and started shouting and arguing. Gavkari zama chale ani pandan karu lagle. 6. The fight became louder and worse. Panda jastavadle ani ragane bhadle. How the fight came to an end. Akulka and Malasha forgot the fight and began playing in by making a stream of water. Akulka ani Malasha pandar visarun punha khela lagale ani pansha pravah kart hotya. The villagers saw the girls playing together and felt ashamed. Gavakshani tya mulina ektra khetana pahile ani tyana lajwadli. They stopped shouting and went back quietly. Tyani bhandar thambavle ani shantapane ghari gele. 5. Write and enact a quarrel based on one reason and show how it was resolved. Reason: one child broke another's toy. Karan eka mulane dusyachan khernan todlan. Why did you break my toy? Amit tu maje khernan ka todlans. I didn't do it on purpose. Mi muddam kela nahi, but it's my favorite car. Panti maji avarti car hai. I am sorry, Amit. I'll fix it or buy you a new one. Mala maaf kar, Amit. Miti durasa karto kimwa navinanto. Okay, let's play something else now. Theek ahe. Apan ata dusran kahitri kheluya. Resolution: Ravi said sorry and offered to replace the toy. Amit forgave him. Nirakarn. Ravina maafi magitli ani kherna dayaj kabul kelan. Amit na tyala maaf kelan. 6. Change the words in the colored boxes to make other meaningful sentences. Original: I'll take off my shoes and you do the same. Mi maje boot karto ani tuhi tasanchakar. Changed: I'll put on my cap and you do the same. Mi maji topi ghalin ani tuhi tasanchkar. This is a time for rejoicing. Ha anand sajara karण्याचा वेळ आहे. Changed: This is a time for learning. Ha शिकण्याचा वेळ आहे. Read, remember and write. Verb past tense Marathi meaning udi marli. Dress, dressed. Kapade घालणे, kapade घातले. Walk, walked. चालणे, चालले. Grasp, grasp. पकडणे, पकडले. Start, started. सुरू करणे, सुरू केले. Jump, jumped. उडी मारणे, उडी मारली. Pick, picked. उचलणे, उचलले. Look, looked. पाहिले. Want, wanted. हवे असणे, हवे होते. Pass, passed. पास होणे, पास छाले. Gathered, एकत्र करणे ले. Scattered,